Hello students, this is the last part of chapter number 3, addition. See, add horizontally, which we have done with smaller numbers, okay, in the previous pages. So it is simple as it's shown on your page number 22. I will solve for you in my notebook. Kindly see. 27,005 unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is a 5-digit number, and the second number is unit, tens, 100,000. So this is a 4-digit number. Unit, tens, 100,000. Unit, tens, 100,000. This is 10,000. Okay, children. Now see, what is the method? You will add unit to unit, tens to tens, 100 to 100, and 1,000 to 1,000. Right, children? So unit to unit, 5 plus 8 is, what is 5 plus 8, children? 13. Okay, 1 will go at tens place. So what you can do, you can write here. You can see, children, so it will be easier for you to remember. Then tens place, 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it becomes easy, you remember. Or if you want, you can write here also the values, how I am writing. Okay, children? So whichever way you're comfortable, it's okay. Then at hundreds place, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus, now at thousands place, 7 plus 1 is 8. And 2 is at 10,000's place. Here there is no number at 10,000's place, so that 2 will go automatically at 10,000's place. Okay, children? So if you have a number, you can carry it here. How we had a bigger number, so I have carried it here. It becomes easier for you to remember. Now let us see, I will solve one more sum for you. Similarly, units, see, this is units, tens, 100, 1,000. Please write this way, then it becomes easy for you to understand. Now units plus units, 5 plus 5, here also see, this both the numbers are 4-digit number, so you can write directly this way. Unit plus unit, 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 9 at tens place is 10. So 0 will come here, 1 I will carry here. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. 5 plus 3 at hundreds place is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 4 plus 2 at thousands place is 6. So this is the way you will solve the sum. Now see, units, tens, 100. Units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is a 3-digit number and this is a 5-digit number. But you have to write units, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000 because the first number is of 5-digit. Then what you will do? Unit to unit. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 you will carry here. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 at tens place. 0 plus 4 at hundreds place. See, 0 at hundreds place, 4 at hundreds place. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Now there are no place values or number at the second number doesn't have 1000 and 10,000. So what will happen, children? This numbers will go directly here 2, and this will go directly at 10,000's place. So it is 9. Please solve this sum, and today I'm giving you a revision worksheet. Kindly solve all the sums which I have given in revision 1. The sums are